Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone runs a supported OS, has at least 20% battery, and about 100 MB free. Next, pick where the live wallpaper will come from, the system gallery or a reputable app in the official store, because security matters. Once chosen, grant the app permissions for storage and motion access. Without them, the wallpaper may not animate correctly. Now you're ready to open the wallpaper picker and begin installing. You open the wallpaper picker by long pressing your home screen or going through Settings Wallpaper, and then select Live Wallpaper. In the preview, adjust playback options like speed and motion sensitivity so the effect feels smooth rather than distracting. These tweaks affect CPU and battery, which is why you balance aesthetics with power use. Once satisfied, choose whether to apply it to the home screen, lock screen, or both, and double-check any battery optimization prompts so the animation runs reliably. You finish by testing the wallpaper under normal use. Swipe home screens, lock and unlock, and monitor battery for an hour or two to confirm performance. If you notice lag or stuttering, reduce frame rate, turn off fancy particle effects, or switch to a simpler animation. These actions cut CPU load and improve smoothness. If problems persist, force close or reinstall the wallpaper app, clear its cache, or reset wallpaper settings. That single troubleshooting step often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.